Oh no!
We got it. Recording's going. There's Gaston.
Evil cold eyes.
Yeah. Is he drunk?
I don't know.
Marcel, what have you given your cat?
I didn't give the cat anything.
What have you put in his food?
Marcel, you don't.
Nothing.
Well, how can a cat be so tolerant of someone like you?
Du always licking me.
Oh my goodness.
So you can't even keep a straight face.
You can tell that
Yes,
the cat's in some sort of trance.
Marcel, a shame.
And
I
that's
haven't
just-
done anything.
Is that a Bogota poster on your wall?
It's a map.
A map? You get lost in your own street, do you?
Or in the same room.
The cat is looking
Good
at me.
Jesus.
What's
Yeah.
the guy on this? What is it?
He's not interested, Marcel. Can we see you now? Oh god, bring us back to the cat, please. Oh god.
Okay. Okay.
Bad Marcel.
What's wrong with me?
By
What's
the
wrong
way-
with my face?
Marcel is some sort of legend on Force 13 now.
Why?
Oh, wait for this.
Everyone loves Marcel. Well, I don't know if they do, to be honest. We love to hate Marcel.
It's just a thing.
But I
Oh,
see a
wow.
lot of commenters fighting for Marcel rights. Well, I tell them now, what about that cat? He has rights too.
That cat is just a vessel for Marcel to smuggle cocaine.
Hashtag save Gaston.
Daddy, he's a cutie.
He was. Hashtag save Gaston. Remember it, folks. And don't save that.
Jeremy Corbyn.
Hashtag Marcel sucks.
Eh,
Oh no.
eh.